Gosh, anyway, Bunty got one scoop at a time. He's picking it up, taking it away. Tough fight na Paul. He's a good digit, man. These guys are not young, man. They'll dimmy. Look how deep that is behind the car. One scoop at a time. You gotta scoop it out. Look at him. Buntemi, bear, stop crying. Buntemi. Pantiwadi get na Loike got take a tractor. One scoop at a time. That's how deep this is. We feed here all day, man. Kali budi we meg. What it baby tractor? Geez, nah, it's a cute little tractor. This is a big, slippery too. Oh, the trailer we took up on next door. Look how deep that is. It's friggin' mixed too. Freezing rain, snow. It's kind of hard. Van up in me, huh? Milky got a laju kudijina, Majuino, Nova Scotia Provincial Housing Agency. He's up pussy da tractor jala. Too bad na money me demo, man. Can't really see how deep the snow is. One scoop at a time, that's all he keeps doing. Look how deep it is. It's more than a foot of snow drift now. Wow.